Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to update graphics driver in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, find Display Adapter and expand the list. Right-click your graphics card and click Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. If an update is available, Windows will install it for you. However, for the best performance, it's recommended to download drivers directly from the manufacturer. If you're using NVIDIA, go to the official website and download the latest drivers or install GeForce Experience. If you're using AMD, you can download drivers from their official site as well. Once installed, open the app and go to the drivers section and click check for updates. Then download and install the latest version. After updating, restart your PC to apply the changes. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.